Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for OL. Start by understanding the English exam format and marking scheme. This knowledge is your roadmap to success. Next, commit to building a robust vocabulary. Try learning 5 new words every single day. Finally, solidify your grasp of basic grammar rules, focusing on tenses, sentence structure, and punctuation. These foundational steps are crucial for any English learner aiming for excellent results. To truly enhance your reading comprehension, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reading diverse English texts. This could include news articles, short stories, or even blog posts. Actively practice identifying the main ideas and supporting details within each passage. A great technique is to summarize what you've read in your own words, which helps solidify your understanding and retention. Mastering English writing skills requires consistent practice. Aim to write essays and short paragraphs at least once a week. Pay close attention to clear sentence construction, proper punctuation, and logical flow. Don't be afraid to seek feedback on your writing from teachers or peers. Constructive criticism is invaluable for identifying areas where you can improve and refine your expression. To improve your speaking and listening skills, immerse yourself in English audio. Listen to podcasts, news, or even music for at least 20 minutes every day. Actively practice speaking English with friends, family, or study partners. A powerful technique is to record yourself speaking. This allows you to identify and correct pronunciation errors and improve your fluency over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.